Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Mummy's World of Weather. Clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for November 3rd to the 15th. November 3rd to the 7th. We have strong positive anomalies here over Alaska, the Bering Sea. And we have a trough over the west. And we have a ridge in the east. The models are good agreement on this. This is a GFS, and we go through the period. Come to the 7th, we don't see much change. Here's our ridge, trough, ridge configuration. And the positive height anomalies that were near Greenland kind of like slide off to the south and east and were replaced by negative height anomalies. A trough in the west will result in cold and stormy conditions. And further east, several cold shots will sink into the east central states. Rain and storms are forecast for the central and southern plains into the Midwest. November 6th to the 10th. Here at the 7th, our area of strong positive anomalies remains here. And below normal heights are forecast over eastern and northern Canada, extending into the west. And we have positive height anomalies from the North Atlantic extending into the southwest. And the models are in good agreement with this. We're going to go through the days. We come to the 10th, and then we look at the rest of the models. They're in good agreement. So during this forecast period, I am forecasting below normal temperatures here, with anomalies of 4 to 8 degrees below normal and above normal temperatures forecast for this region, with anomalies of 2 to 4 degrees above normal. And for precipitation, I'm calling for above normal precipitation here for the northern Rockies into the upper Mississippi Valley, and below normal precipitation is forecast for the central and eastern Gulf Coast states and the southeast. November 11th to the 15th. We're not expecting much of a change, except the flow even flattens more. As long as we have this negative height anomalies here, we don't expect to see much of cold air here in the east, because our area of strong positive height anomalies here remains over the Bering Sea and Alaska. So we're still forecasting a trough here and a ridge here, but the height anomalies will kind of lessen compared to what we've seen here in the east in the previous period. So for this forecast period, I'm forecasting below normal temperatures here across this area here, with anomalies of 4 to 8 degrees below normal and above normal temperatures forecast for the four corners into the lower Mississippi Valley, and I'm forecasting anomalies to be 2 to 4 degrees above normal for precipitation. Above normal precipitation forecast for the Northwest, a section of the Southern Plains, a section of the middle Mississippi Valley into the Great Lakes, and we saw below normal precipitation forecast for the eastern and central Gulf Coast states in the southeast. So that's a long-range weather forecast discussion for November 3rd to the 15th. Thanks for coming to Jim Mummy's World of Weather, and have a good day.